G'day, here's a parcel of mixed material, fossils, knobby, bit of seam mixed together, rules in millimetres. You can see it's quite a large deal, various sizes, big to smalls. I'll zoom in a bit so you can get a better view of some of the material. Okay, I've zoomed in, multicolours, just going straight up there, across, down. This is just some of the material. Some of the pieces don't have anything much in it, like that piece. Other pieces, there's a nice little eye of colour there on the end. It's on black, so how far that goes in, don't know. Other pieces like this, fossil, unknown, probably wood. Again, some of it doesn't have a lot of colour. There's other pieces that are have a bit more colour in it, like that piece. Crystal sort of piece. Another big piece of not much. It still warrants giving it a few slices to see what's inside it. You can see sometimes this material goes black on the inside. An interesting sort of parcel to look through, a bit different to a lot of the deals I have. And like normal, it's the small pieces that might cut a nice little stone. Quite often it's the little bits like that that's really where you're going to get your money back out of it. Unfortunately, if it's a great big stone the size of this, then it'd be more than a few pennies with that sort of colour. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.